Hi, Mom. I'm home.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Emma.
I'm home.
How was school?
It was great.
That's good to hear.
I got a good grade in English. I studied very hard. I am proud of you. Mom, I got an A.
Really?
Yes, look.
Great job.
I studied every night.
I can see that.
Be careful. Whoa!
Slow down.
Sorry, Mom.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Mom says I should clean my room. I can do that. Books here, toys there. Much better. Goal! Another goal! I love soccer.
I'm getting better.
Here we go! Whoa! Oh no, the vase!
Oh no! What happened?
My favorite vase.
It's broken. Who did this?
I don't know.
Emma, were you playing here?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mom.
Emma, tell me the truth.
I am telling the truth.
Nobody else was here.
But I didn't break it.
Then who did?
I don't know. Mom, please believe me.
Why are you sad? Mom is angry with me. Why? A vase broke. Did you break it? No. Then tell your mom again. I tried. Maybe she will understand.
Mom was wrong. She didn't believe me. That's not fair. Nobody believes me. That's not fair. I feel sad. Very sad.
Hi, Mom. Jake. What's wrong? The vase is broken. The vase? Yes. Oh, do you know something?
Mom,
Yes?
I think I broke it.
What?
This morning, I was playing soccer inside.
Jake!
I'm sorry.
Oh, no. Emma was telling the truth. I blamed her. I didn't listen. I made a mistake. Emma looks upset. Maybe I was too harsh. I should talk to her later. Emma,
Yes?
can we talk?
Okay.
I am sorry.
Why?
Jake broke the vase.
Really?
Yes, you were honest.
I told you.
I know, I should have trusted you.
It's okay, Mom.
Thank you.
Everyone makes mistakes.
You're right.
I still love you.
I love you too. What did we learn today?
Listen carefully. Tell the truth.
And don't judge too quickly.
That's right.
I'm sorry too. That's okay. I should not play soccer inside. Good lesson. I learned something today.
Me too.
How about this one?
It's pretty.
I like it. Let's buy it.
Great choice.
The flowers look beautiful. The new vase is nice. And our famine is happy again.
Yes. Best day ever.